In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, this simple tutorial will guide you through the process in just a few minutes, making it easy and straightforward. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Notion website. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a fantastic all-in-one workspace that blends your everyday work apps into one. It's a great tool for organizing projects, creating notes, and of course, building databases. Once you're on the Notion homepage, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login option. Click on this, and if you already have a Notion account set up, you'll proceed by selecting Continue with Google. When prompted, choose your Google account to easily log in. This seamless connection with Google ensures that you have quick access without needing to remember yet another password. Now that you're logged into your Notion dashboard, you'll want to create a new database to start consolidating your information. Look for the plus icon, which is prominently displayed. Click on this to begin the process of adding your new database. When you click the plus icon, an option to create an empty database will appear. Go ahead and select this. This option provides a blank slate, allowing you to design the database according to your specific needs. You can think of it as a fresh canvas, waiting for your creativity. With your empty database in front of you, the next step involves naming your database. Click into the title section. A click here will let you type directly into the space. This is your chance to give your database a meaningful and descriptive name. Make it something that will be easy to recognize at a glance so it serves its organizational purpose well. And there you have it. You've successfully created a database in Notion. By following these steps, you now have a personalized space to store information, track tasks, or anything else you have in mind. Remember, you can always go back to adjust, update, or add more to your database as you see fit. Using databases in Notion opens up a world of possibilities for managing your projects and tasks. I encourage you to explore the platform's additional features, like adding properties to your database to track extra details. Thanks for joining this tutorial on how to create a database in Notion. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy organizing!